Just need to recompose now and just take a moment and look at the landscape and see what catches my eyes.
Have you ever returned from a landscape photography shoot with perfect conditions only to feel like you left many good shots behind? Now believe me, I know that feeling very well, but in reality, if we cherish every moment in nature, a good photo should always be the cherry on top.
I just can't believe how good it looks right now. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're right into a snowstorm. So in these conditions, the hardest part is always not to get too excited and miss everything. So I think I find my first composition right there. This branch coming out of the water, I kind of like the reflection it's making. So I'm going to start by composing the shot and I'm going to guide you through what I'm seeing in terms of composition. Let's do that. Alright, so for this shot, I'm going to be using my 70-200mm f4 lens, and I'm also going to pop my polarizer filter, so I'll be ready to remove any unwanted reflection, should I say. Alright, as you can see, my tripod column is extended all the way up, and it's not kind of a steady situation over here. It would have been better if I can get a little bit higher, just like that. But I don't want to waste too much time on this shot because it's just an okay shot. So I'm going to take the shot and show you how it looks like, and I'm going to walk to another one after that. All right, I just found another composition and I already set up my camera right there. This shot might lack a little bit of subject, but let me know in the comment if you find what caught my attention for this shot. I'm going to stack up a ND filter in front of the lens. I'm using a 2-second timer. I can wipe these too, I think. No, I just made a mess. What's fun with this kind of weather is that the sky is darker than the foreground. So the sky is not going to be a problem. Usually when the sky is too bright, you kind of want, to remove the sky from the shot and maybe get closer. But in this case, it's just going to be part of the image and it's not going to be any problem. So now I'm ready to take the shot. So I'm just going to wipe one more time the filter, and at the same time, make sure I don't introduce any shake. And here's the shot. All right, so let's go find another composition because right now it's kind of amazing. The lighting is pretty nice. So let's try to find something else. All right, so I've been walking for quite some time and I don't seem to find another opening close to the river, but I think I'm gonna still keep going because I think farther this way I might be able to find another spot. All right behind me, that's the next composition. I think as you can see on the background now, there's 2 trees. I'm gonna call the shot Twins. That's the feeling I have right now. Not sure, but I'm gonna call them Twins. And what I like about this shot is that the fact that the snowstorm, or should I say the wind, was coming this way, and all the side of these trees are covered with snow. So I think it's gonna help separate them from the background. Yeah. Now let's take the shot. All right, so I think that's it for this shoot today. What's my take on this one? I think I left a lot of shot out there, but sometimes it happens, I think I was too focused on taking shots of the small river, and I think I missed a lot of opportunity, maybe on the ground. But hey, that's life. So again, thanks for watching and see you next time.